Alright guys, we're lighting fireworks up and we got 3. We're doing 3 because there's like a thunderstorm.
See if I can do 3 at once. I don't know, it's gonna be tough though.
Yeah, I think it would break all the boxes though. But Daddy, that's not fun. That's not like fun. That's not gonna be fun. Wait, do it next to everyone. Daddy, you doing it? I really wanted to do the TNT.
It's not easy.
Okay. Well, Daddy, it's windy out here. Daddy.
Back up.
All right, guys. Let's watch.
Oh no, Landon, back up, back up.
Oh no, guys. Guys, I don't know what we did. Oh God.
It's windy.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, thank God that
Oh, it's weak.
dude, thank God it didn't burn like the city down, guys. That we would die. All right, can we do this one next?
All right, hold on, watch out.
How about we
But
do
you got-
both of
No,
them?
get out of the way. Go.
Why? All right, guys. He's going to do it. Dad, don't light your finger on fire.
It's too freaking windy.
Yeah, because we're doing fireworks. Oh yeah, Daddy, put it down! All right, guys. That's like doing nothing.
It's in little sparks, little fireworks.
All right, ready? One more.
Ready?
We'll try to do the big ones in a little bit, but
All right. Look at it. Put it down. Put it down. That's the chili one. It's little, guys. So let's see. Yo! Wait, guys. That's actually the biggest one.
Do a little mini firework.
was it?
That's it.
What? Nah, bro. We gotta do other little ones, bro. We gotta do the other ones. Come on, bro. Those were nothing, bro.
They were mini.
All right, that was the biggest
Ow.
one. I'll get it.
No,
I
it's hot.
can-
It's hot.
Stop pushing me.
There you go, bud.
Those were little baby ones. We're gonna do other ones.
Yay! All right, I'm gonna go inside. All right, guys, we're gonna do other ones. I'm ready to do other ones. Come on, let's go. And guys, if you want to go to our address is B11. All right, guys, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna get all the fireworks. Oh yeah, guys, we can't do some anymore, so that's it.